The Bell 206L Long Ranger helicopter stands as a testament to engineering ingenuity and practical design. This aircraft has been a cornerstone in the aviation industry, known for its reliability and adaptability in various challenging environments. For decades, this single-engine aircraft has served communities worldwide, becoming a familiar sight in our skies. Its ability to operate in diverse conditions, from bustling urban centers to remote rural areas, has made it indispensable. Its versatility is unmatched, from law enforcement and medical transport to news gathering and tourism. The Bell 206L has been a critical tool for police departments, emergency medical services, and media outlets, providing essential support in various operations. However, a recent tragedy involving a fatal crash in the Hudson River on April 11, 2025, has cast a somber light on this iconic helicopter, prompting a closer examination of its safety record. This incident has raised questions about the aircraft's reliability and the measures in place to ensure its safe operation, and the importance of meticulous maintenance. Regular and thorough inspections are crucial to maintaining the helicopter's performance and safety standards, ensuring that it can continue to serve its various roles effectively. The Bell 206L is more than just a machine. It represents a lifeline for many. In emergency situations, it has been instrumental in saving lives and providing critical support to communities in need, and a symbol of human ingenuity. Its ability to adapt and perform in various environments showcases the brilliance of its design and the skill of those who operate and maintain it. This essay delves into the helicopter's rich history, exploring its various applications. From its early models to the latest versions, the Bell 206L has evolved to meet the changing needs of its users, and highlighting the critical role of maintenance in ensuring its continued safety and reliability. The dedication of technicians and engineers in maintaining these helicopters is a testament to the importance of safety in aviation. The Bell 206L Long Ranger traces its lineage back to the Bell 206 Jet Ranger, a revolutionary helicopter that first took to the skies in the 1960s. This iconic aircraft was a game-changer in the aviation industry, setting new standards for performance and reliability. Its introduction marked a significant milestone, as it was one of the first helicopters to be widely adopted for both civilian and military use. The Jet Ranger's versatility made it a favorite among news agencies, law enforcement, and even private owners. Designed and manufactured by Textron, a renowned aerospace company, the Jet Ranger quickly gained popularity for its sleek design, ease of operation, and adaptability to various missions. Textron's innovative approach to helicopter design ensured that the Jet Ranger was not only efficient, but also safe and reliable. The aircraft's user-friendly controls and robust construction made it accessible to a wide range of pilots, from seasoned professionals to newcomers in the field. The Long Ranger, an extended version of its predecessor, emerged in the 1970s, boasting increased passenger capacity and greater range. This new model was designed to meet the growing demands of the market, offering enhanced performance and more space for passengers and cargo. The Long Ranger's extended range made it ideal for longer missions, whether for search and rescue operations, corporate transport, or scenic tours. This enhanced model solidified the Bell 206 series as a dominant force in the helicopter industry. Its success was a testament to Textron's commitment to meeting the needs of its customers and pushing the boundaries of what was possible in helicopter design. The Long Ranger's versatility and reliability made it a preferred choice for a wide range of applications, from emergency medical services to aerial photography. Textron's commitment to innovation and precision engineering is evident in the 206L's design. Every aspect of the helicopter, from its aerodynamic shape to its advanced avionics, reflects the company's dedication to excellence. The 206L's development involved rigorous testing and continuous improvements, ensuring that it met the highest standards of safety and performance. The helicopter's robust construction, coupled with its powerful engine and advanced rotor system, has made it a reliable workhorse capable of operating in diverse and demanding environments. Whether navigating through rugged terrains, performing complex aerial maneuvers, or enduring harsh weather conditions, the 206L Long Ranger consistently delivers exceptional performance. Its durability and versatility have cemented its reputation as one of the most dependable helicopters in the industry. The Bell 206L Long Ranger has earned its place as a versatile asset in numerous fields. This helicopter is renowned for its reliability and performance, making it a preferred choice for a wide range of applications. Its adaptability is evident in its widespread use across various sectors, showcasing its ability to seamlessly transition between roles. Whether it's flying over rugged terrains or navigating through urban landscapes, the 206L proves its worth time and again. Law enforcement agencies rely on the 206L for aerial surveillance, search and rescue operations, and traffic monitoring. Its advanced technology and robust design make it an indispensable tool for maintaining public safety and responding to emergencies. In the medical field, the 206L serves as a critical link in emergency medical services, swiftly transporting patients to hospitals and providing crucial support during natural disasters. Its ability to reach remote areas and deliver timely medical assistance can be life-saving. Its agility and ability to land in confined spaces make it invaluable in time-sensitive medical situations. The 206L's compact design allows it to operate in areas where larger helicopters cannot, ensuring that help arrives when and where it's needed most. The news media relies on the 206L for aerial news gathering, providing viewers with real-time coverage of breaking news events and traffic updates. Its ability to hover steadily and capture high-quality footage makes it a favorite among broadcasters. Its maneuverability and unobtrusive presence make it ideal for capturing footage from unique vantage points. The 206L's versatility and reliability ensure that it remains a valuable asset in the ever-evolving landscape of aerial operations. The Bell 206L Long Ranger has earned a reputation for safety and reliability over its decades of service. This is not merely a matter of chance, but a testament to the rigorous design and engineering principles employed by Bell Textron. The helicopter's safety features are comprehensive, encompassing a robust airframe, redundant systems, and advanced avionics. However, even the most well-designed aircraft requires meticulous maintenance to ensure continued airworthiness. Regular inspections, adherence to maintenance schedules, and the use of certified parts are non-negotiable aspects of operating the 206L safely. As Greg Feith, a renowned aviation expert and former NTSB investigator, aptly states, the 206L is a tried and true aircraft when properly maintained. Section 5. Technical prowess, specifications and capabilities. The Bell 206L Long Ranger's enduring popularity stems not only from its reliability, but also from its impressive technical capabilities. Designed to be a versatile light helicopter, it can comfortably accommodate up to 6 passengers, making it suitable for a variety of missions. Its spacious cabin and large windows offer excellent visibility, enhancing both passenger comfort and situational awareness during flight. Powered by a single turboshaft engine, the 206L can reach a maximum speed of approximately 115 miles per hour, allowing for efficient transportation over relatively short to medium distances. Its range of over 300 nautical miles makes it suitable for a variety of operational scenarios, from aerial sightseeing tours to law enforcement patrols. Section 6. Shadows in the Sky, examining accident statistics. While the Bell 206L Long Ranger boasts a commendable safety record, it is essential to acknowledge that no aircraft is immune to accidents. Over the past 25 years, the Bell 206 family of helicopters, including the 206L, has been involved in 82 fatal accidents in the United States, according to records from the National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB. These statistics, while concerning, must be viewed within the context of the helicopter's widespread use and the numerous factors that can contribute to aviation accidents. It is crucial to avoid drawing hasty conclusions solely based on accident numbers without a thorough investigation into the specific circumstances surrounding each incident. Section 7. In the wake of tragedy, Bell Textron responds. Following the recent tragic crash of a Bell 206L Long Ranger in the Hudson River, Bell Textron, the helicopter's manufacturer, has issued a statement expressing their deep concern and offering condolences to the families of the victims. The company has assured the public that they are closely monitoring the situation and cooperating fully with the NTSB's investigation into the incident. Bell Textron spokeswoman Lindsay Hughes stated that while the company is committed to transparency and providing any necessary assistance to the investigation, they are directing all inquiries to the NTSB as they are the lead investigative body in this matter. Section 8. Scrutinizing Safety, Aerial Tours, Under the Microscope. The recent crash of the Bell 206L Long Ranger during an aerial sightseeing tour has brought the safety of such operations into sharp focus. While the helicopter itself has a generally good safety record, some aviation experts have raised concerns about the overall safety culture within the aerial sightseeing industry. Sean Pruchnicki, a respected aviation expert, has expressed concerns about the problematic record of some aerial sightseeing companies. He points to instances where companies have prioritized profit over safety, leading to inadequate maintenance, pilot fatigue, and a lack of adherence to safety regulations. Section 9. Ensuring a Safe Future, Maintenance and Vigilance. As the investigation into the recent Bell 206L Long Ranger crash continues, it serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of maintenance and rigorous safety protocols in aviation. The 206L, when properly maintained and operated by qualified personnel, remains a reliable and safe aircraft. Moving forward, it is imperative that operators, regulators, and manufacturers work collaboratively to ensure the continued safety of these helicopters. This includes emphasizing stringent maintenance practices, promoting a culture of safety, and addressing any concerns regarding the operational practices of aerial sightseeing companies. The future of the Bell 206L Long Ranger, and indeed the safety of all those who fly in it, depends on a steadfast commitment to these principles.